to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and I'm excited actually for you guys to be here today. In this video, we're going to talk about three affiliate marketing methods. Okay, three affiliate marketing important points I would say that you need to get started. Okay, I've created a presentation for you guys. So I will be sharing that information with you guys on the three tips of getting started with affiliate marketing. This is literally a guide for somebody who's just beginning, and I really want to go into a lot of detail with this skill set. Now, if you're here for the first time on my channel, I want to welcome you. I want to welcome you because this channel is all about skills, okay? Mainly how to fund your skill sets, not only how to fund your skill sets, but also related to marketing as a skill and trading as a skill. So if you want to learn about these different techniques, whether it's free or paid methods, you can start to learn them more within this group that I have. Okay, I have a specific community. It's a private Facebook group. I share a lot of valuable information that added to this YouTube channel. So if you want to join me and actually work with me one-on-one, it's completely free, the group. So feel free to check the link in the description to get started. At the same time, I do have also free training for you guys. Okay, the first link is my recommended free training, which you can get, and it'll take you through the whole process. If you want to get started with marketing, if you want to get started with trading, that's where you need to go. Okay, so click on the link below, the first link in the description, and it'll take you to my whole setup. It's called the Pro System, and the Pro System was built for an affiliate marketer and built for somebody who wants to learn trading, if those are the options that you would like to have. Okay, so that being said, let me get into it. Like, I just want to recommend you to get into the group, but let's go ahead and actually present with this option on how things are. Just give me a second, guys. I'm getting, I think, a call from somebody, but I will disconnect that call, so just don't worry about it. Um, so yeah, as I was mentioning, guys, on a larger scale, let me get into this video. Okay, affiliate marketing, guys. First, I want to ask you guys a question. What is affiliate marketing for you? Okay, if you're watching this video, you're interested and you might have an idea on what affiliate marketing is, but I want to share with you a little bit more on how it can benefit you. Okay, now in this time that we're living in, but in general, any kind of skill set is valuable in your life. Why? Because it gives you control over options for how to pave the way for your dreams. As I said, skills are a part of us. Okay, if I want to learn to cook, that's a skill. I can create an income from that skill. Anything that we go through is a skill. So affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the nice places to get started if you're looking online for different spaces to explore. Okay, but there are many ideas of what affiliate marketing can mean. So the first thing that I want to share with you, the first thing that anybody as a beginner getting started in understanding affiliate marketing is, you need to make a choice. So tip number one, guys, is what kind of affiliate marketing product do you want to have? An affiliate marketing product, or affiliate marketing, is being associated. You don't have a product of your own, but for example, I have an iPhone. I want to sell this iPhone and get a commission from it. Because I am marketing for a company, I become associated with them in a way, not fully. I don't need to only be associated with them, but I'm selling a product or service that they have, and I'm getting commission based on it. Okay, so I need to know that if I have an audience, if I have people to share this with, which does not need to be family and friends. I know a lot of the time in this kind of industry, they'll say join this and then go into selling or getting into your family and friends and showing them the products. Well, I would suggest don't do that and start off with actually this method that I'm going to be talking to you guys about today. Okay, that's in tip number two. But tip number one is, what kind of an affiliate product? Now that you understand affiliate product, what kind of affiliate product do I want? Do I want to join a peer-to-peer affiliate marketing product? What is a peer-to-peer affiliate marketing product? I'm going to explain these four types. Okay, now I have defined these four types the way it is because I know that a lot of people confuse it. So I want to make sure that you guys choose the right method for yourself and make sure that it is your decision on what it is. Okay, now it can change. You can try peer to peer, you can go to product based, you can go to digital based or service based. You can have two of them if that suits you. That's fine. Okay, that is fine. But the point is to resonate with it. Okay, to find a product that you are passionate about. So a peer to peer affiliate marketing product could be something that I buy, okay, and I get the reselling rights to. Okay, so it's almost like I purchase a product online, okay, or I purchase a digital education course, for example, okay, and I share this course that I have purchased. Instead of keeping it only for myself, I can share it with somebody else, and if they buy it, I get the commissions, not anybody else. So I purchase from somebody else, I get it, and every time I sell it to a new person, I can get the commission. And when they get the course, they can do the same thing. So peer to peers, I can share the product with you. You can go out and share the product with somebody else as well, and you can earn a commission from it. So why is that an interesting way to start? Sometimes it's because that means that you have to, every single time you make a sale, it's on you. It's not I build. It's not a network marketing thing. Peer to peer is not network marketing. I want to make it very clear. Peer to peer is mainly that I sell to somebody else, and then I need to sell to somebody else, and then I need to sell to the third person, and I need to keep making sales in order for me to make an income. Okay, so I need to sell this product. I purchased it once, but I'm selling it multiple times to multiple peers and getting commissions from that. That is a product which is a good product to have, and people usually maintain those products as well. Now, there is, how does the company who has that product earn? You purchase it, you get maybe 100% commissions, but then there is a kind of service fee that is applied to it when for the new person to join. So you get 100% of the commissions of the product, but the service fee is given to the company, and that's what the company maintains. Okay, so that's a peer-to-peer affiliate marketing setup. Now, there are a few companies out there that do have digital products related to peer-to-peer. You can find them. I'm not going to go into them right now, where to find them. Um, if you want, check out the link in the description of this video. The first link, it'll take you to a training. And when you get to the marketing training, so if you choose marketing as your skill that you want to learn, there I talk about one specific peer-to-peer affiliate marketing product that could be valuable for you. But that's something that you can get in there, okay, for free. But now I want to mention that that is one kind of method. Then there's a product-based affiliate marketing. Now, product-based affiliate marketing is simply what you can go on Amazon and, for example, become an Amazon affiliate. Okay, Amazon affiliate sells physical products. So if they are selling cameras, you get, and the person buys through the affiliate link of the person who's selling that camera. Okay, even though they don't own the camera, they will earn an affiliate commission from it. Amazon will pay them. Okay, eBay will pay them. These are the kind of product-based affiliate marketing which you can go into. Then you have a digital-based affiliate marketing products. Again, this is digital-based products. So you can have a course that is a digital product that is related to education on carpentry, okay, or does actually have everything in the background for you, and you have to only promote the digital product, okay. That is mainly the place that you can find digital products is JVZoo as an affiliate product, or digital-based products can be also found on ClickBank and so on and so forth. Now, there are other ways also of getting digital-based products. It's up to you to check those methods, but I'm just defining them. So product-based is actually when you have product, sell it, and get a commission. Peer-to-peer is when you are getting 100% of the commissions, and then you're giving that peer-to-peer and keep making the sale. Digital-based product is just having a product made by somebody. So, for example, if I make a product, a digital product that I'm going to sell related to um, let's say fitness, okay, and you are passionate about fitness, then you say, you know what, you should check that out, because checking that out is going to get you to your goal of XYZ in fitness, okay. That's a digital product I'm selling. I become an affiliate of that product, and that's how I get to sell, okay. That's a digital based affiliate marketing products. And then you have the last one, which is also something that I really like, is service based affiliate marketing products. A lot of people get started with this, okay, which means, for example, you have a domain, okay, website domain. You sell a website domain from I think HostGator, and you get a certain commission on that. Okay, that's a service-based marketing, email marketing like Aweber, like Clickfunnels, different tools that we use in our day-to-day marketing are services actually at the end of the day. The conversion pros, online sales pro, these are all tools that we can utilize for funnels, okay, to build websites. And as we share those, so for example, even a service like canva.com has a referral based option. Okay, you can can share Canva with somebody else and you can earn a commission. So service based is depending on the service that they provide. So Canva provides graphic designing. ClickFunnel provides a funnel builder, page builder, website, a blog, very valuable tool. Aweber provides email marketing, right? Domain service provides a domain. These are all service-based affiliate marketing products that you can sell. Okay, so what kind of affiliate marketing product do you want? Peer-to-peer, product, specific product, hard, actual, tangible product, digital-based product, or service-based product. That's up to you to make a decision. The reason why I'm sharing this with you is that I think it's very valuable to first and foremost drill down what is best for you. Start off with these. These are the options. Usually people will just tell you broadly affiliate marketing. I'm going into a little more detail, guys, because I think it's valuable. Okay, let's go to tip number 2. Tip number 2, it's not just enough to have that product. You need to sell it to somebody, right? So how do you generate traffic? How do you generate eyeballs to that offer? Now you can have free methods and you can have paid methods. These are the two methods that I personally talk about. It's related to your marketing. It's related to generating traffic on a daily basis. Eyeballs, eyeballs, eyeballs. How do I get more clicks, more eyeballs, more people to view my content and actually like what they see? So I'm going to go away from the traditional method of, bombarding people and spamming people and kind of just putting yourself out there. If you use free methods, pick a strategy, pick one strategy, guys, and follow that strategy to the T from whichever mentor. If you want free Facebook strategies from me, then you can use it, learn from me. If you want YouTube strategies from somebody else, go learn YouTube strategies from somebody else. It's completely fine. As long as you pick a free method, that has to be there. In my opinion, everybody has to have a free method. Why? Because it creates the foundation. Okay, it creates a foundation for you to build. Okay, it gives you authority in the space and it builds a following for the long term, because then you convert those people who are interested in your products, might need to build a relationship with you. The thing is, when we talk about traffic generation, it's about building a relationship the fastest way possible. Okay, so when you're doing free methods, it might take you some more time, but you are building a relationship with that person, whether it's Facebook, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, whatever, Pinterest, whatever media platform that you use. It is free. That means you need to put an emphasis on making content, and building with people. Okay, and I cannot emphasize this enough, guys. I cannot really emphasize this enough. So that is a free method. Okay, it builds your authority and it gives you a foundation. So for example, just to give an example, this YouTube channel is a method I use to build a relationship with you guys. I take effort. I put in the work to create these videos. I don't just do it. Okay, it takes work. It takes effort, but it builds a long-term foundation for me. Okay, I can go ahead on this channel and do a lot of things, recommend products or services with affiliate marketing, with trading, whatever I'm sharing. Okay, and I'm building by adding first value to your life, by teaching you, by sharing with you, by inspiring you, whatever the method is. I mean, blogs can be used, a daily blogger can be used to create and build authority with a specific lifestyle change. Okay, so for example, if I'm giving you a fitness example, okay, if you're into fitness and you want to make a lifestyle blog every single day about fitness, then you do that and then you gain a certain following. Okay, you gain a certain following and then you can recommend those affiliate marketing products that you have within the description, or then that's how you get more eyeballs to the affiliate marketing product. Okay, so that's a very important. This is, I think, one of the main methods, one of the main points. Tip number 2 is the very most important point in my opinion. Okay, but you need to have a product first. And then you have the paid. The paid, I would say, is more based on a scaling up of your business, and it also, once you already know how to build authority and actually have a relationship with the customer, then it's easy to use paid services, or rather simpler process to use paid services to build faster and get more qualified customers, to shift from an okay customer to a person who's loyal to you and actually wants to buy more of your products. Remember, the main aim of a paid is to get somebody from not being a customer to being a customer and staying as a customer. The value is not to get the initial sale. The value is to then stay as a customer. Okay. And last but not the least, within these two methods, as I mentioned before, is a mindset behind it. Okay, the mindset behind it is consistency, consistency, consistency. No matter what, it's going to take you maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I don't know how long it's going to take you to build an authority, but traffic generation as a method is something that needs to be there always if you're getting into affiliate marketing. So I'm letting you know on the get-go that it does take work, it does take effort. Okay, I'm not gonna BS you guys. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Just say it as it is. I'm a straight shooter that way, so you will get that information from me. Okay, so that's tip number 2. And going into tip number 3, what is your sales process? If you don't have a sales process, then it's again pointless because a lot of people waste their time by sending people directly to a sales page, which is not building their brand, which is not building the email list, which is not, you don't have a sales process. So that means even if you generate an authority and you're able to generate traffic, you're losing out because you don't keep those people. You're not able to build from there because you've lost them. They're gone. They disappeared. You don't see them again. It's happened so many times to me in the past, and that's why I'm sharing with you. Sales process. Have a simple sales process. How can you find people? How can people find what you are offering? Okay, how can they find what you're offering? You don't need to be blunt about it. You need to name the companies or anything. But if they're passionate about you and they want to work with you, or they want to get to know more what you're doing, how can they find what you are offering? Are you building trust with them? Because at the end of the day, products may be products. The thing that differs you to everybody else, me to everybody else, is how I'm building trust with you, how I'm building a relationship with you. That is the most important thing. So I'm letting you know very clearly. If you want to work with me, there are two things: group and my first recommended training for free in the description. Those are the two places that you can find. That is what I'm offering to you guys. Okay. If you resonate with me, if you don't, then follow me in my journey, subscribe to my channel, and that's fine. That's also okay. Okay. That's the beauty of having these kind of methods in place. So know your sales process to the T. Okay. I'm not saying that this is mine. My sales process is in my group. My sales process is in my funnel. My sales process is in the things that I do. But I'm saying understand your sales process because then you're focused on that method and it will convert the moment you're focused on the method. Okay. If is your sales process clear for the average person to understand where to go first? Is it clear? If it's not clear for the average person to understand where to go first, then something is wrong with the start of your sales process. Okay. Remember, your sales process can be super complicated that they first buy this and then 1 month later they buy this. And then, you can have a complex sales process, and that's fine. I wouldn't make it that complex to begin with. But having a very simple, they join, get onto my, the point is, I want them to get onto my email, get them to my email list. And then from my email list, where do they go? That is the process. If I'm sending somebody to my Facebook page, you can have a sales process within your Facebook group or Facebook page or whatever it is. Any kind of form, know what your sales process is. And last but not the least, within this sales process, be consistent and test the foundation every single time. Keep testing. That'll be your foundation for any sales. Okay, because your process, I need to change the slide because I wrote the process, which doesn't make sense. Change that. I mean, a typo that. The point is to have consistency and testing as the foundation, okay? Because that's going to always be there and you will learn as you go along. Don't be afraid, guys. Affiliate marketing is a great skill to have. And I want to firstly thank you for watching this video because I do, as I said, I do put a lot of effort into giving you guys the best valuable content. So if you did like this, hit the subscribe button and show me a little bit of love. Comment below if you have any questions at any point of time. And remember, affiliate marketing is a very good skill to have. It's up to you whether you want to take the effort. It's a long-term skill, just like any other skill. It allows you to pave the way for your dreams, but you need to put in the work and the effort. So are you ready? Is my question to you. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.